So I have $17,000 here, to buy the ply, to help out. And this is from Miss Trench, from the UK. This is $17,000. So count it first, so it's 17.
I feel so lonely, I wanna go home. Feeling homely, I'm coming home.
So we have $60,000 from Kalel from Pennsylvania. So this is $60,000 here, so.
Lord, carrying a your hand, worship Almighty, all about Satan. Every day then get up out the gun of your man. One rotten half head, rotten half hand. Want to life man, a lean a dead man. Them they sin thing, they no right it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer, and I feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer.
Yo. Does that woman see her coming now? God no, me just come from doctor. But just come from doctor.
So you know me I come?
How many know? Me on the phone, you feel like I see you on the phone. Everybody say they see me and you.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Then I take the last bus home. Then I take the last bus home.
Oh, this is it.
Then I take the last bus home. Then I take the last bus home. I feel so lonely, I wanna go home. Feeling homely, I'm coming home. I feel so lonely, I wanna go home. Feeling homely, I'm coming home. I wanna go home right now, I say. I wanna go home right now, I say. I wanna go home, I wanna go home, I wanna go home. And then I take the last bus home. Thanks. Yes.
Thank you.
Let's say that, Bob.
Yeah.
Kino.
Yeah. Go on with the vibes.
You see him, man.
Hello, everyone. I'm good.
Hey, man, this is Kino.
Yeah. Kino, I'm glad to see you. Artists in the building, right?
There's a balance.
But the energy is right around here, though. So this time I'm getting a breadfruit burger and a smoothie, and then I'll be on my way because I'm gonna head up to Mama River as what I said. I got a donation for the family, so I'm here. Aye. So this time I'm gonna get half and half, the burger half and half polenta and half breadfruit. Okay, we got the polenta burger. The polenta is made of cornmeal, just like If you want a bit of more iron, you know, that one is made of cornmeal with the ground provides inside of it, you know, to make up that base. To get that next side to hold it like the bun. Yeah, so one side will be breadfruit and one side will be calendar with inside of the garden. It is smoothie, and then I'll be on my way, you know, get up garden bun. So I've been in the town then.
And I was supposed to film the camera, but again, it's like, you know, good energy. Spontaneous.
Cheers!
You tell me now.
I'm a YouTuber.
The amount of people
Also, I do charity as well too.
follow me.
Yeah. You can check it out on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica. I do charity in Trenchtown and outside of Trenchtown.
And what's your charity?
Here in Jamaica.
I know, but
So
like,
people like, it's Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah, but we have a team, we call ourselves Dream Team. You know, where everyone volunteer who's from the community of Trenchtown, you know, and come together and help out each other. You know, we build houses and everything, you know,
yeah,
through.
that's where I was wondering where exactly.
Yeah.
So you help build homes.
Yeah, homes and everything, cooking food for the elders, you know, helping back to school, you know, like.
I need to get with you because I got some people that write up the proposals and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So they could we could make things happen for each other.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Check it out, man.
Crazy, I was just talking to him too about the charity.
Yeah.
Because I got like 60 archives right now. I'm about to give out to kids.
Okay. Yeah.
So we could do stuff like that too. You know?
Yeah, man. I do a lot of that, you know. Yeah. And I also got nurses from Florida come here and do health here. Checks as well. They're coming back in November. So if you go on YouTube, it will be the same name. You see all the work. So now I'm giving some family some assistance up by Garden Town, helping to build a place for them. So that's where I'm going to head to right now. I'll come get myself a burger, then I'm going to head up here, you know.
So you're building a home for one particular family?
At this moment, yeah. Yeah, so it's like a mother with 4 kids, you know. Yeah, they're living in squatters and like, you know, but the condition is so poor, you know. But once you see the condition, you see everything, because everything is transparent on my program. If you send $1 for Tom, I have to show it on the camera. So nothing's taken, so everything is transparency. You know, you will see it all. Yeah? Yeah, man, you will see it all, man. So whenever you call us, just say, and just say you will meet the Ibo Spice. Okay. So I can remember, right?
They call me Divine.
Divine?
Divine.
Oh, Divine. Okay, Divine. You got a powerful name. Very powerful name, though.
That's my brother.
Yeah, very powerful. Yeah, very powerful name, that Divine. Greatness, man. So, looking forward, yeah?
I'm a chef, and so maybe we can collaborate some way somehow. And I can
Of course.
give my myself to your charity.
Yeah, man. It'll be lovely, man. You know about the Kiwanis? Okay. You heard about them? Okay, we work with them as well, to the Kiwanis. You know, it's a charity organized group as well, too. Here in Jamaica.
See, I'm actually working with somebody that got a charity too, but we actually got proposals, so we actually write up, we can find out different things we could do. Like when I tell you certain things, we can make certain things happen. Makes sense for
yeah, man. Makes sense, man. Makes sense. Man. See, it's the energy. That's it works. So connect with all connect right here. Just the energy, in general. Yeah, man. It's just the energy, man. It's what happened, Ibo. Right here is bring all the energy. You know, the frequency. Everyone just connect. Just like that. Important. You know, where everything is more important. When you come here, health is here. You know, you can't talk about wealth if you don't have health. You know, here's where you have to find it, right?
Because I watch what them from the suffer. Nothing new on TV, some of and the same of suffer. People want to prison the send police in helicopter. They keep on building walls and try to make them high and stronger. The same they gonna tragic dummies in the final gesture. Selling fish to people so they feel fit to be captured. Something is going wrong. Why do we live in dread when we got love instead? We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Why do we live in dread when we got love instead? We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Hey people, make me slow the Goliath who them a play with. Easy carry the fire and that him stay with. Babylon a carry it and them a pray with. What you lay with, guns them a play with. No matter how the youths and we them never share with. The beast must leave it and the soap them where me bathe with. But what's a sharper than the razor that them share with. Believe in dread when we got love instead. We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Why do we live in dread when we got love instead? We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Something is wrong and we gotta fix it. We are the ones who are truly feeling it. Instead of sitting and watching and trying to do something, we all become a victim. Stop the war in the Middle East. Stop the war in Gaza. What you doing, Mama Africa? Yo? Oh, what a saga. Why do we live in dread when we got love instead? We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Why do we live in dread when we got love instead? We are not living dead. We have to live and to love and to wonder. Yeah. We have to wonder. We have to wonder now. Oh, we have to wonder. We have to wonder. We have to wonder. We have to wonder. Keep the fire burning red. Live and direct. I must spice. That's a
Keep the fire red.
We have to wonder.
And one place time for the reading there, yeah?
Too much sinning in the inner city, it's not pretty. But the wrong at the long oppressive committee and the city free. Let them a push one way, captivate and mislead mentality. As you see, westernization had the regressive inclination. Had the nation, put a conscious meditation. I go free up for my inside, in the salvation, the free revelation. History repeats itself, that's a realization. Then files to your food, files to your education, files to your mind with misinformation, files to your eyes in disguise with them lies, but them can't pull the eyes with them tricks. I'm a mind full of it, spiritual eye full of it. I listen as you are living it.
Never do a big talent show now. Yeah, but no. Yeah, I'm not raggedy artist.
You're raggedy. One of them, time and space.
Yeah. Right is right.
We can do it. So today you're back in. I just want to get one of spice.
Remember to do a tune about spice?
Yeah, man. Yeah. You man, I Portal anthem.
Portal anthem.
You can put it on like this.
Yeah, then. So anyway, thing guys, more love, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Artist, there you go. Yeah, look at yourself. Much love. Take care.
Take care.
Alright.
You too. Bye.
Divine. Bless. Alright guys, so here I got my smoothie and I got my burger. So smoothie slash burger. Empress, we do with eyeball here. We do with eyeball already. So Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Alright then, thank you. Right?
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much for this.
You're welcome.
Alright. So guys, I'm out of here. I'm gonna eat the road now. Alright guys, so this is the polenta burger. So up here, this is the polenta. Let me see, the light is kind of this. Alright, so this is the polenta made of cornmeal. Yeah, it's made of cornmeal. So inside the next side now is the breadfruit. So you got this, the breadfruit and polenta burger. So I got the half and half this time. Half and half. And there it is. Just half and half. Half breadfruit burger and half polenta burger. Alright, so guys, I'm going to enjoy this and then move on. Take care.
One key in a life in Jamaica.
That's a
Hey, you see them here? Them here can't sleep in a way in your house. Like, brother, park and come give me a minute, no, man. You can't pull over all this, no, man. I know so we live, man. Yeah, man.
Let me get out.
Yeah, car, me a get.
Let me get a minute.
Yeah, man.
I'm parking and give a minute.
You know you get away drive right now. I don't feel my life in Jamaica.
And then I get away from nobody.
Dog. Anything else I'm talking.
Yeah.
I want maroon man in a Marcus can't be in a way are the rest of
Yeah.
Marcus when you see Marcus can't be sweet. Are you ready?
Ah, go on, cooler.
General cleaner there.
Right here with it. Right there with it.
Jamaica and yes, over there, you know.
Yeah.
Right there, so Silver Slipper Plaza, you know.
Yeah.
You know we deal with it, you know.
Right in Cross Road.
Right in Cross Road.
See, they, because they're right up the road from Carrick
You know, the
Theatre.
people then say my voice and mash up in the house.
Yeah,
Anytime the boy listen to my voice heavy.
Heavy.
My voice lock me, I tell them I slap. Me say I saw we work. Me say you say key in a life in Jamaica. Me say subscribe to the me I tell you, I one key in a life in Jamaica, you know that.
Yeah.
Big up all of the massive and the crew.
Yeah.
Big up the whole crew.
Yeah.
Yo, and you say
Dream Team, one team.
Dream Team, one team.
Yeah.
Dream Team, make the team rock.
So tell them what go on here. Where you up here?
Man. See, we are the palazzo pants and when the lady then we are going rock. You see them hot working class people because you don't know no key now. Life in Jamaica. And the Jamaica, the working class people that we represent.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know. See the ladies them here.
Yes, yes.
We have the palazzo pants, we have the joggers pants,
Yeah.
the ladies them. Yeah, man, you see them.
Everything is here.
Straight up, everything is here. We have them are the bellas foot. Them are the girl them body. All when they not body, jumping at them party.
Yeah,
You see what
it make it.
God, the girl they love them at Kina. Kina, me I tell you the truth.
Yeah, I see them wearing them.
You think them look official.
And it's only $1,000.
Me say everything at one price. One price, my name. When you see me, call me one price. $1,000 no Allah.
Take it and go.
Nah, like Wednesday,
Yeah.
one got the river out, so you know.
Yeah.
You see where I go on.
Of course
The
you
whole
can.
place I feel same way.
Yes, I.
Because my place are here
Your-
place.
alright.
You understand,
See there.
Kino? We are
See
carrying
there.
the whole district.
Yeah.
We are good view that Wednesday that we are
man.
running it up.
Yeah.
So only for people need to see. Center mass.
I will bring out some of the team members and
Yeah,
say, no,
bring
so
out
we're
the
out.
team member,
Say,
them
no,
no
we go
brother man,
out.
brother man.
We are go
Can't
out.
wait for
Yeah,
Wednesday. The team work and them link up. You see what I say?
Yeah, we said the river
Because, you know,
nice.
Yeah man, nice river man, big bridge you can flow man. You can turn up all the bridge and a view down a river there man.
Yeah.
Kino, that's why I say I want you come see it. That means say you know say and next time when you see it now you sweat like. You see what I
That's why
say?
I say we are come, we are come look, we are come.
Because you have a Grandpa River, little top side when me there. You know.
Yeah.
If you hear about
We
that
hear about
river
Grandpa
there,
River, yeah, man.
You see what I say? And you have the next river over hillside at Surge Island.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So
So we have choice.
we are choice, brother, but
Alright.
now can you go my little district one first?
Yes.
You understand me?
Alright.
Because more set this so you know quick clean. Can you see you some man you have the leak there? More have this as a little cozy corner.
Yes,
You
yes.
understand me? When you go see the setting,
Alright,
no
yes.
set there yet, you know, but
Yeah.
we have the idea. Okay,
Alright,
and there's
then.
a man where and them people they are dealing.
Alright.
You see, I just want to still we link again in the you know, because you know a whole heap of work we have to push
True,
on.
true.
But you know, before you go, I have to bust a one show.
Yeah.
Because you know, say I'm my own man.
I
you know.
mean.
For real, you know, that one and you love Jah.
Yeah.
Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah. With the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left foot Satan on the metal. Love
mix it,
Jah.
man.
We all on the what? Love
Come mix it,
Jah,
that's it.
maroon man attack. Love Jah.
Watch
With
out,
the
mix it,
Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left foot Satan. Every day they get up out the God of your man. One rotten half head for rotten half hand. One to life man and lean a dead man. Them they sin thing they no right it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day them get up with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and they spear and knife thing. And no believe me say inna the love thing. God Almighty, I go fight him. If the kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Happy give thanks to my only Savior. Love Jah, in all on word. Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and left for Satan on the better. Love Jah, in all on word. Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and left for Satan. Every day them give up with them footing and fighting, with them gunshot and the spear and knifing. And no believe me say inna the love thing. God Almighty, I go fighting. No, Jah, I want my own man. You know, King of Life in Jamaica. You know, so we represent it. You know, all our watch, our followers, all our subscribers. Big up on yourself because we're gonna see. Sure, man.
Alright then, I got running now. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
You know, Rasta.
I ain't agree to Esther yet. What go on?
Esther, kind of put on a different little face.
Yeah.
So where her mind is at at the moment. But may I tell you,
Esther, how can I face you put on?
nothing can change to heal up my Esther.
Yeah.
Because you see my Esther, I love her so much.
Esther, the man is talking to you.
Esther, boy, you know someone love you, you know. I want to about you, you know. Yo, big up yourself.
Alright then.
Me never got too perfect, you know.
Yeah.
I go and make you go and have a liquor. You know, medicine.
Rope straps, yeah.
But, you know, this tracker, you know, but me go and I know some heart.
Yeah. Esther, the man heart is aching for you. Put down the phone, Esther. She's playing game. Esther, the man heart is aching for you.
That's why I can't take the phone, you know, because you see the phone. Make the woman
Mash up your life, though.
Yeah, the phone make the woman them zone. Them not pure real man, no man.
Yeah, Esther, man.
Somebody take technology, lead them when I
Esther, take lalali.
Technology lead them way. Yo, I want my own man, you know.
Yeah.
Them have to know that, you know.
And I want Esther.
And I want Esther, and I want Kino. Yo.
My own,
so
big up.
You know,
Yeah.
you know, good time.
Yeah.
Not
Alright, big up the general.
Yo, that's what I want to tell you.
Yeah, man.
Esther,
Alright, that's all.
sweet and sexy, same way, not Esther.
Yeah.
Why you have to know, make my heart go and ache, same way. Yeah, baby?
Alright, cool. Esther, I chose Esther in the tambourine. Sour. Hey, my rude man. You feel love, Ja. Oh. But drive a while ago? Oh, I never know this him. Oh, guys, this time I want my seatbelt. Rain a drip. I heard a drop. A drip. A drip. My road man, full of energy, man, I tell you. Yeah. Look like him can work the stage all day.
Yeah, man, cool lyrics too.
Yeah, man, lyrics. The cloud are dripping, you know. Somewhere. Check for a Chester draw. Hello. Remember me?
No,
Remember to come by the bed? I need to get the driver around the back road there sometime. I will do it over the phone, remember? How much? A Chester draw me a look.
How much is it? Bed will complete, sir?
2 weeks time?
Yeah, 2 weeks time, Papa.
So the more furniture place now up here? No. Wow. Right, so here's where just the white, so half white. Alright guys, so we have our extended family that want to purchase a Chester drawer for Cranberry family then. You know, so we're here in Papi. So here is where we did get the bed, you know, for the kids then. But the thing is there, because true up here is much closer to where they live, up by Mama River. You know, so they said they don't have none for about next 2 weeks, more than this white one here, only this white one. So the only place we would have get it is downtown, you know, so it's a bit more distance, you know, it's gonna be more, gonna charge a bit more to bring it all the way up here. You know, so they say that they're not gonna have anything about the next 2 weeks. Yeah. So I guess the one that we're looking for, they're not gonna have that one. So I guess we have to source it somewhere else. So we're gonna find out how much they will charge to bring it all the way from downtown, you know, to come all the way up here. So you know that's gonna be a distance, you know. So unless I'm gonna look around the area and see if there's any more furniture place, which is they say there's no more around here. You know, so. And this would be too big for the house. As well, this one will definitely be too big for the house. We need a small something that. So we're gonna source and look and see if we get anywhere else, you know. So plus I'm gonna find out the price and see how much they will charge to bring it from town to come all the way up here. You know, so alright then, so that's where it is, you know, so we're gonna head back now to see Cranberry. Alright, so me check you about them time then, yeah?
Yeah, man, alright?
Alright. You ready? I'm done. Alright, go. Like
land upside down in Toronto.
basically them not have any.
Plain.
Oh, but here I Esther them say them not have any.
Chester Jar?
Yeah.
So no other store open, so I want store close by. Town here, so.
I asked her and she said are them are the only furniture place up here. In this
We must
spot.
have somebody near close. People back down or so.
We have to look into we have come back if we see
Yeah.
any or ask somebody.
Town here, so at Killer.
Yeah, from town to a killer price, they're gonna charge things like that off.
And then police are going to target if you get taxi for put on top and rear. That's so fun.
Daddy, does that woman see her coming now? God no, me just come from doctor. But just come from doctor.
So you know me I come?
I mean, you me on the phone here. You feel I see on the phone. Everybody say they see me here. I collect money for you. All the cash back man say it too.
Since I'm still.
The girl that say she want to beat me. But just tell her so me go pass her now.
Come like here now man.
Drop near river.
Oh. Pull it down.
I tell you. Evening. It's an evening to everybody.
Everybody.
You too. Say evening. Okay, she's first aid.
She have man.
Doctor, I say even from father first.
Pause.
You know, say he must carry alone black.
Oh, Kina carry alone black. I say Kima carry alone black.
Excuse me, but like my split. Cranberry, where you coming from?
Come from a cash pot shop.
Where do a cash pot shop?
To buy credit, I will never get it. So still wrong at home.
A good.
So grandma is saying I'm come from Clinton.
Okay. Start to see you on the road.
half, yeah.
You bring children clothes for what? For go swim?
You don't want to do when you ask me.
You don't cook. You never cook. Oh. Guys, so look who me run into. Look who me run into. And look who me run into. These, you know. I don't know where they're coming from, but they might get beaten now. I don't know where they're coming from. I mean, I got beat. I got the belt, you know. I got her selling for the belt. So Nana run down the road, yes, Nana. Oh, no. So you got doctor today, right? So I got ask. Who bring you? I don't know.
So my there's a PNE right now and there.
You doctor for your own.
Hello, man.
I'm gonna face it shut here.
I feel my foot there's a PNE.
Why?
You don't know why my mother says I got me there after people. No, wrong. I know that I'm going to finish as we go.
Alright guys, so basically we're here now. So as I said, we have to go and source a way or we can get the chest and jar. You know what's the Esther? Well, yeah, good if we go use hero. So by looking at the back, suppose you can go in there. Yeah, we'll probably go use someone else and probably bring it from downtown. Yeah. And we could go up at the top of the road. Up at the top of the road. I know, say, could have walked here, so too, you know?
Yeah.
That easier, oh. That day I was walking in the water. Right, that easier, because up there is the longer.
Yeah, it's a longer. I said no, thank you. I said
significant feature. A weak drop across Jamaica. The drop is expected to remain through to tomorrow. Thereafter, the wind is projected to briefly veil across the region. On a Thursday, a pre-frontal trough is expected to move within the vicinity of the island. For the fourth quarter of the month, the man expects partly cloudy conditions. Also expect weather conditions to become clear. Minimum temperature is expected to be 29 to 24 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is also
So for screaming.
To your Esteban Crooks. What jokes? What that? Yeah. Eh?
Okay, buwan mo, sis. Okay, boy, I'm okay.
Oh, Jaxie, I don't so. Alright then. Come.
Okay, boy.
Pure nice, isn't it? Yeah. Alright.
Hey, you're too pregnant.
Them happy. Them happy to see us. Them happy to see us. Let it go. And let it go.
Daddy, I'm mad about what? I see them.
Happy to see you.
Daddy, the machine now work. The machine now work.
But the washing machine mash up? Oh, forget the phone here. So you have Wi-Fi up here? No. Oh, how we are going to beat Tara? I first me she talk so strong, you know.
I mean, you are me. So where that?
Oh.
What's the bad?
Oh. Tara.
Talk while sleeping.
Talk or sleep?
She act like she asleep. See that?
Talk or you're not sleeping?
I was a big baby.
Yeah, Tara. Yeah. I talk. How she talk so strong? Come here. She's talking real strong. Go she go beat. Come here, who you go beat? Who she go beat now? Wanna finish the ramen already?
Yes, Daddy.
What else you wanna finish?
Not else. Somebody sent me left back.
Oh. Alright. Mr. Poppy, how can I work go on now? How can I work go on now? Oh, you that dress off?
Yeah, just off the front time.
Okay. You're gonna reach on this here?
Oh, we're halfway now, reach right now.
So basically, right, you're gonna need black to retain the wall here.
This, now I know some of these are same box and cast like coming and do it out of steel.
Steel.
Just steel it up and board it up and cast it.
Okay. So it's better that way there?
Yeah.
Than the black?
I do it more broad than the black, so when I do it so, do it more broad than the black.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. And when I the bathroom, I can see them box and cast, right?
Yeah, it never do it same.
Alright, so oh look, well the door gone on now, right? Oh, but you don't have no door lock. Oh, so guys, you see the door is gone on.
Later, may I lock it.
So you're gonna need door lock and everything, right? And someone sent donation for you to get we call it Salitex for the ceiling. Yes. Because they must say so basically two sides have to go Salitex, right?
Yeah.
This side and over here as well to have to go Salitex. Yeah, so the two sides them have to go Salitex. So yeah. And you just send with a list for junior lifestyle. Look,
Cause everything we put everything for the tile. Everything.
Which part is it there? You have it? You have it? Kenisha. Yeah. Alright guys, so as I say, junior Stone, you know, from Junior Lifestyles, you know, they contact me, so they're gonna help out finish up this project as well too, you know, with the which part the invoice for the stuff then, yeah, you know, to get some material, and we have to really thank them so much as well too. You know, we have to thank each and every one of our subscribers and for helping out on this journey, right? So basically the things that we are writing are just for the bathroom, the tile, paint,
the whole piping to the bathroom, everything.
Okay, and put zinc on it as well too, and black.
No, we never put the black. To me, I tell you something.
Just box and cast.
And the ceiling. I put the steel and the ceiling.
Okay.
Everything. That's why it means steel,
Yeah.
ceiling. Just the black, I put because I don't use the black.
Fitar. So Esther brought swimsuit for the Toko.
Fancy one.
I thought that a Toko it can't fit when I get your size them yet. Swimmer Toko. Alright guys, so this is the invoice for the stuff them that did the ask for. You know, so as you can see the estimate is 218,000. You know, forget the rest of the stuff them to build the bathroom and to also to get tile out the floor because it's better tile the floor, you know. So we probably have to get rough tile like our kids, right?
Yeah.
Because they probably drop stuff and we're wet and then want them drop. And for the paint and everything, so still here, so still have a way to go then. So with this, alright then, so me and them in talks, you know, so we're gonna get that out the way but you have other donors that send as well to help out with the situation, you know, so yes, I like what I go on, you know, I like what I go on. Hey, what match it? I got painting.
Paint, remember when it's paint and everything?
Where, I'll paint?
Yeah, I'll got to a board.
Yeah. I'm going to think about cement dash. Cement dash should hold it more. You know, for the cement dash.
From the I'll paint, you have a board, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so them pay that for. And now it's some of them kind of thicker, so when you paint, you know, so none of them look a loophole and you can paint.
Lock it. Okay. So even the current one we're not use, yeah? So yeah, there's someone renovate as well too?
Yeah.
Like what renovate?
I just show me them and the windows when I tell you say. I just
next side.
Like fix up on the floor.
Yeah.
Out on the top.
So the tile are for the two side, right?
The two side. Nature.
How much box that say?
$10.
Oh, $10.
15 bucks.
$15.
Yeah, they just take the measurement here, sir.
Yeah.
And go down at the hardware and tell them. So they measure it up now.
And they know, sir.
How much, yeah, how much
so, yeah, about $15 a tile, right? Then. $15 a tile to come to?
15?
Yeah.
Everything?
Yeah. $15.
Yeah.
What size tile? $15 what size? 17 by 17, 18 by 18.
No. They never sold 4, what I'm saying?
4 in a one box?
No, I don't know how much in the box.
No, more than 4.
The size of tile. I don't know how much in the box. I mean, just take the measurement and tell them, so then they
Cranberry, come here. Alright then, so we could get to this now.
But we pick up by several working days. Time when they say you have a client, you can call them first. That means everything ready.
Okay, that's the test.
Yeah.
Okay. So this time charge you 19,000. Okay then. And everything already paid for and everything.
But that's just a receipt, man. Then you have a camera to get the result.
So okay, so we don't know what I go on yet. Okay. Alright then guys, so
I got clean thing
them job blood?
You know, son of blood then job. So look thing them put in our head. Put in our head, put on our chest, goes right to our head. Hold it for a little so them put in our head.
Oh, so them put some things in our head?
Yeah, and that's why them tell me say I ear no, me no put nothing in our ear, just wash the eye, nothing for going in our ear.
Oh, and then put it on our chest and
yeah, no, up here, so just our head, right over in our head, so go and look for wire, so hold it, put
hold it for wire.
Yeah, and then they use but find them, yeah, something like that, through them made them more small.
Okay. Alright then, so and them say 7 days?
Yeah, 7 working days.
Alright guys, so she done the EEG scan, right? So it's 7 working days. We're definitely gonna get the results, so we're gonna know what is going on, you know. So basically, you know, as them say, there are some things them string her up within her head and up here, so you know, so them put a lot of stuff. So this is the receipt of the test being done, you know. So this is the test of the result being done. So Cranberry, what? You never feel anything when them do it? Them put a fly down and then put a through one machine.
No, them have one light thing where I flash over Well, if I light thing when she lie down on the bed, flash over it.
Oh.
So every time you put one in the head, you can see the blue like the
Oh,
blue
okay.
thing up and it comes to hear that one there, connect to that one there, connect.
Oh. Is that fret? You never worry.
Give them for that my.
You like your eye?
And
Okay.
then pull it back.
Okay. Oh, come things so they want to put out through like a machine.
That many things.
Yeah.
Taco, wow. You that swim, Taco?
You that swim? Always a swim. So Esther, where they say
I call one player, the gentleman, I'm have the number and swim man, him say $1,500 an hour, but if it's a continual thing, it's cheaper.
Okay.
It's that cheaper.
And now where is that?
If it's a YWCA, Upper Camp or Stadium, National Stadium.
And that's how much time for the week?
Him same do it two times.
Two times.
Two today, once.
Okay. And the time that'll be like what time? Basically, obviously after school time, right?
Yeah, when we're ready, if we just work out something. I must say, I usually go on Sundays.
Okay, so
They have no Wednesdays, so
so you want the swimming as well too?
I tell them so when they need our endurance, catch them person and they look for pool.
Well, you just tell them so them the future talent no endurance.
No,
Just tell them
like,
say
they
them.
want to do that too with them. Come ask me where them want. So them can't swim, but through them sand back the local place.
Yeah.
Just want to get the endurance. Yeah, and they.
Tell them we want to put them in an academy.
I tell them.
Say academy, right?
So one more if them can't swim. I say yeah, them are swimming, but through them bag up for them look something.
Yeah.
If they want.
Because we can get them in an academy now. You know that's when Jamaica always can check on them.
Long stride and
So Cranberry, I never see you swimming though. Can you swim?
actually, I didn't tell him about
Okay. So you're going to?
No, when I bring Cranberry. Cranberry can swim?
Yeah. You can have my father.
Yeah.
You must can swim.
Yesterday, Buma see when me choke off and Buma say me think your belly bust, little girl. That yesterday, if you talk
So Nana,
come.
big swimmer too?
Who swim? What the better swimmer?
Me.
Toko?
Me.
Hey, look, Toko all of her
Take
hand.
all of her hand. I mean.
Me.
But even Nana say,
Yeah.
Nana, who's the best swimmer?
The best swimmer.
Oh, we keep
It's Toko?
Nana, you have the tongue.
But Toko.
Just swim, but Nana get covered. Yeah.
No, but
the little girl in the pastor. And then when we build the pool, I say, Shubab, Nana go patrol, and I find that Nana get covered.
but you know say but me I watch her, she can swim still, you know. Don't underestimate her, you know. Because when time I see she the dive and when she hit the water and the way I see she move. But all because she Toko, she have this nippy thing like she's quick.
So Nana usually stay to my
Yeah. And Toko look like a swim champion already.
That's it. You saw the water we all cover Toko and Toko plan the night stay where Nana go do it.
When I tell him about Cranberry, I tell him about him want to age them. Yeah, man.
No, 8, 5 and 11.
When I tell him nothing about
No, she had 2.
the baby.
You know what say if Buma build up the pool.
She gonna be 3.
No, she's
You know
so
say
poor,
Buma
December
build up the
can't
pool, that's all them can swim. If you
Yeah.
build up down at the bottom, because the whole chair them can swim in it.
Okay, that's the one down at the end part.
Them not going at them part, they Cranberry them could have go in there. Because them can swim in it.
But last time it is built up down at
Hey, Tara, hey, she got bad too. Tara got bad too. Big swimmer Tara. Can I say she swim like oh well I'm can't well. You come? You come? I'm trying to show up.
What? Yeah, got to
What you mean? Tara come. Look, Tara coming. Yay guys, usually this don't happen, you know. So she get used to it now. Right? Get used to it. She has swim like how Toko swim. You know, Toko jump and splash up and yes, a big swimmer. Buana Esther now. Buana Esther. Yes.
when they come,
I know someone you have an extended family as well want to buy a Chester jar. You know, but we'll go check it out. If I will buy the bed, but they must say them have none till 2 weeks. So the only place downtown, so we're going to try to get a different drive to see how much them that charge. Because you know them that charge a lot to bring it from all the way from town to come up here, you know. So probably get a little bit size. A little bit bigger than that one with them, right Esther?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go one stimulus, Jamaica chemo, and one little green, one little purple one you sit down the road there.
Yeah. But what me I say, she says that's the only furniture place in a Papine.
By the bed.
Is that the only furniture place?
Yeah, the one where as a turnout.
Yeah. Really?
No, the next girl, like, which part the bus terminal?
This I only.
Yeah, that's what I so small.
Yeah, lately I come there to none about it there. Lately I come.
So basically, guys, it is a fact. You know, the lady said that's the only furniture place. So yes, so the best thing we can go do, like just like the one we get for War Chef, we probably have to go get one like that. So we have to go downtown by a Mark Furniture. So it's supposed to can hold the Pro Box. Yeah. But anything we have to go get Euro. At least the price won't so much because we know them gonna charge an arm and a leg just to bring that come, you know. So the donation if you help out. Cranberry, get up and close up your foot and sit down. Come here. Come on, so now some donation of the help out.
Cranberry, give me the paper and put up. If you have it, you can get there.
Alright, so remember we talk about the Solitex. I don't know how much Solitex I gonna need still. Cause you probably get the ply and paint it. Or the ply I get and paint it.
No, the Solitex thin on the ply, man.
Okay.
But when you put up that now, you still have to want the thing that's one bit too large. So you have to near back one that.
Yeah, to go class.
Where you do? Come.
Alright, Ken, come here. So we have $17,000 a year, you know, to buy the ply, you know, to help us. And this is from Miss Trench, you know, from the UK. This is $17,000. So count it first, so it's 17.
Miss Strange, thank you so much, and make your food basket never run empty.
Miss says from the USA.
No, Miss Trench. Miss Trench from the UK. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It says Miss Trench from the UK.
Miss Trench from the UK, thank you so much.
Alright, so count it says 17. And this one Miss Trench from the UK. So you know that is to buy the ply, you know, to help out. And we also have another donation from Miss P. So in general, you can just thank Miss Trench.
Yes, Miss Trench give thanks and praise, you know. Only for manners and honor, man. I love the blessing, you know.
Yeah. Alright then, so also another donation from Miss P from Maryland. Miss P from Maryland, where this should help out and buy, you know, necessary materials and stuff, right? From Miss P. So this could help out buy materials. I said the year want this and this, so at least the help is coming in. So this is 30,000, you know, from Miss P from Maryland. So count it. Miss P.
Thank you, Miss P from Maryland, so much, and make your food basket never run dry.
So Cranberry, thank Miss P.
Thank you, Miss P. Basket never dry.
Thank you, Miss P from Maryland, so much.
Alright. General, say.
Yes, Miss P, thank you very much and give thanks again, you know. Only for thanks.
So we give thanks to Miss P from Maryland. So also we have a next donation from Khalil. You was Superman? Remember the name? I saw him calling a Superman, right? Khalil, right?
Khalil.
Yeah, Khalil. So that this name is from, yes. So you see, I got the name right. It says Khalil, right? Cranberry? Khalil. So blessings, I will give thanks to Khalil for this donation. You know, Superman. You know, so we are Superman watching the program. Imagine that. Superman is watching the program. You know, it's gonna fly, come here to Jamaica one day. So we have six. So we have $60,000 from Khalil from Pennsylvania. So this is $60,000 a year. So, and this stuff she said to help out buy, you know, the stuff them when I'm gonna need help buy material, buy anything, you know. So 60,000 so counted. Talk around guy.
One mama phone to go hide.
So that's Khalil.
Khalil,
Thank you so much.
and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Khalil, thank you so much.
You too.
Khalil, thank you so much.
Oh, so know what, Superman? That's when I know the name, right? Oh, you see, so I was go on.
Yes, Khalil, thank you very much to my brother, man. Give thanks again, man.
Yeah.
For thanks.
Yes. Alright, so we give thanks to Khalil, who thank him so much all the way from Pennsylvania, you know, to helping out his family, and also Miss Trench, you know, we thank you so much as well to helping out, and also Miss P, you know, so thank you as well. So I'm gonna say we're gonna get the chestnut jar sort out, you know, because we went as the only place that sold it and they don't have any. So basically we have to go all the way downtown to get it, to bring it up here, you know, so you know the mission I have to go take on that journey, you know, so we're gonna get that sorted out. So we give thanks. I'm gonna say we're gonna wait now, you know, keep our fingers crossed, you know, and good news about Cranberry with the result, you know, so hopefully everything is okay, you know, and then you know the thing goes already. Alright then say you know the thing go. Yeah, you know the thing go already. You know, so we'll give thanks.
And thank you so much again, and may God bless all of you, and you will see everything that you say is coming true, and you will see it, and we are here. Thank you so much for blessing our family.
Yes. Yeah man, so and we're here, you know, we're here to help each other, you know. Tara! How you feel about your mother, so?
She want to swim.
That's
just like, want to swim, Tara?
Tara, cool man. She want to swim here too, you know. Yes, Papi, so what the next move now? You have to take your time still.
Yeah, I make a star line up the bathroom and the boy first thing we the one to have cars to pick down there, so the pit.
Oh.
Yeah, the pit I put down cars.
Oh, you have to go dig it out.
I dig it already, man. I never show you.
Let me see.
The pit down there, so
let me see. Come on. Show me where I go. But tell me something, a pit, how long a pit last for?
Because that one here is small and that one here go about 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah, that one there the bucket more, yes, sir.
Okay.
That one will be long as a bigger pit.
Okay.
So some pit has always soak away and some really just full so easy. Yeah.
Oh, it says soak in the ground?
Yeah, soak.
Okay. You know, so I go on. Go on. Lead the way, Papi. You go dress your foot?
Yeah? No, you know, sir, finish adjusting to me.
Oh.
Wednesday. Put them in the book about me like go to them somewhere. Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yeah. Oh, so you can dig it deeper?
No, I'm not really go down no more. I'm checking this, I'll be a stone right, that's how me even stop. A full dirt, just I'm going to dig over, man. I threw a dirt they made. So I'm in this,
Okay.
Just cleaning it, but I'm packing.
Yeah. I run the sewage pipe come all the way down here, so. Okay. So this is where you have the fall coop?
Yeah.
So soon you have to go build up back one. Alright then. But really when you retain yourself really good still, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I was set back, man.
You don't know the thing.
I want to see a plan and look back and set for you.
Yeah.
Man, yes, come back nice.
Alright then. Guys, look at the nature vibes.
Come back nice.
Yeah man, I will give thanks, you know, we give thanks for this, for the help that we're getting from our extended family, you know, we thank you. Yeah, man. Let me say, man, use a plus, you know, with the talent we have, we can do this, you know, so at least then you can get up a mind time, I too. You know, so that is a big plus. What kind of help the situation, you know. Say, are you from them here? Banana and thing.
Some of them next to farm upside to the river kind of fill it up away and to the foot and now we have to go wait till the river to go up now that's why we have to really travel up the river so.
Yeah. It is what it is, man. Alright guys, so you know the thing go already, so just stay tuned, you know, we're gonna keep we're gonna keep update, you know, on everything. So tomorrow now I have to go head downtown to get the Chester draw, you know, for them. So first I have to go try and get a draw, I have to bring it all the way up here from town. So that's a long mission, you know, because I can't believe they only have one furniture place up here as well too. Just imagine that. You know, only one. So this is the vibes. So guys, so if I reach this far you're watching, remember to put the thumbs up. Please remember to put the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Kina Live in Jamaica. Blessed love to all. I will thank you so much for the love and support. You know, remember always keep it positive. You know, always peace and love every time. That's all over here, positivity, nothing negative. So we're here to help each other. No one is better than no one. You know, the day when you tell yourself so you're better than someone, that's when you know you're losing it. You know, we're not separate. We are one.
You know, Kina? Maybe about to go on the river.
Toko change again.
I don't want to fit the baby. You put it up on the baby.
It fit her. So guys, so Toko get her swimsuit.
Okay, run.
Toko, you gonna swim? Toko get her swimsuit. Tara, oh Tara get her swimsuit too. I try, she wanna try it out, you know.
See, I put on you too?
Hey. Oh, so but Tara run now.
She not been
She not a trick, she that trick on over there, man. Look. Maya drop Tara.
She been, man.
Look, Ben, which part? Watch there. Look like her foot stuck to the ground, you know, like when when they sell a gum tree and then foot stuck to her like Spider-Man. So guys, so Esther brought a swimsuit, swimwear for Toko and one for the baby. So Nana no get hers yet. And yeah, you have one already. And Cranberry no get hers yet. Oh. Everything good. So Tara, the young baby, get her a swimwear, and Toko Loco get her a swimwear. So Nana is gonna get hers, and also Cranberry. Cranberry, I get fair, man. Don't worry.
What's in tail?
Cut off already.
Yeah.
Thumper tail.
No, most time she extra come. She do not come swim. Most time she come here do not come swim.
Because Esther afraid of the water kind of cold.
That's a big lie.
There? Esther want to come when the sun is really hot. Through the water cold. You know, Nana? When it come out to cold time, Esther don't go into the shower. One boomer. Okay, I'm general. Look like it kick up a storm, man. The storm passed through already. I'm general. The storm passed through already. Jackson. Yeah. So now reason to go on to the reason, man. Watch a big sim of them, Jackson. At them bad, you know. But Tara. Tara. Toko too rough. Yes. Toko can show off too, she can swim, watch out. Go and float then. Step up back. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, they might tell me how it starts. Bugger, don't want to set up. Yeah.
And it's a memo. Whoa, where are you so?
Toko, come back up here. Cool? Yeah, no cool man this time. Cool. That's it, low guys. That's it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.